Hello, I'm going to be showing you what Fresh Look One Day Colour contact lenses in colour grey look like on my Hazel eyes. Showing you what my eye colour looks like. So this is a pack of 10. I did buy a pack of 20 for about £18–19 with postage and packing. So here I just show you the colour. As you can see the grey quite clearly with like a brown sort of tint towards the middle, and it looks quite pixelated. So I insert it into my eye. I always have difficulty. This is actually probably my third or fourth attempt at trying to get this thing in my eye. Yeah, and the first one is always the worst and makes my eyes water, which you can clearly see on the screen. But instantly you can tell there is a difference. Not dramatic, but there is a difference. More so, I suppose, would be the darker rim on the contact lens. So I go in with the other contact lens. Ooh. So there you go, my eyes are adjusting to having the contact lenses. They feel really comfortable. Once they're in, they are really comfortable and they fit my eyes really well. So here I go, I just looking around, showing you the actual colour. Just to give you an idea roughly of the colour difference between my own and the contact. Sorry if you're a bit squeamish. So there you go. It does look different, not dramatically I'm afraid, but I think it does give a nice little change. I mean, you know, especially the darker rim, but I wouldn't say it was completely different in look to my own eye colour. But I look forward to trying green next, because that's the sort of colour I really want to try. So I really look forward to trying the green. Hopefully that will stand out a little bit more. Thank you, bye.